What's up, guys? This is Dwight here. I am at a community yard sale today. I just went to a yard sale, did awesome. My wife told me about this one. Here I am. There's more here than I thought there were going to be here. So I don't know how many I'm going to hit up, but I'm definitely looking for treasures. Anything of value. I'm trying to get away from the $20 stuff. I was literally over, because you can buy stuff for $1 and flip it for 20 all day long, honestly. The problem is that the shipping, you're constantly shipping. So I want to start focusing on buying things with a little bit more value. You know, you may pay $10 for it, but you'll sell it for $60 instead of buying, you know, 6 things for $6. Then you got to ship 6 things. And I don't do the shipping, my wife does. And it just gets old. It really does. But anyway, so I'm trying to find things of more value out here today. You never know what you're going to get. You can get nothing. But if I get desperate, I'll buy something for $1 because my wife knows who I am. But anyway, make sure you guys hit the like button, and I would appreciate it so much. And YouTube almost requires it, trust me, in order to send the channel traffic. Also, make sure that you subscribe. Why not? You might find stuff interesting. I'm also going to be changing up my content a little bit. It's going to be like yard sales. I want to get some auctions in there, some how-to videos, some random family stuff. I still got to do that Cape Cod video I was talking about earlier. But anyway, so here we go. Let's see what we can find. All right. Let's see what we got here. Less noise. Excuse me, sir.
That's okay. Huh? How are you? Good day for this, huh?
Up at 5, get some bread.
Oh, geez. You ready for a nap? I'm going to buy the one that is $1. It's the telephone wire.
Oh, okay.
You don't have any electrical cords, do you?
One back out.
Ooh, there we go. Who was this by? Nimrod. It looks kind of cool, a little different. And who is this? $2. Let me get them. 2 lighters, $1 a piece. Can't go wrong. All right. Let's see what's over here again. Oh, cool.
All clothes dissolved.
Okay, dear.
That's neat. $1. Okay. All right, sir.
Would you like a bag or?
Please,
What's that?
if you have a bag.
Oh, we should have one around here.
I think they're right here, sir.
We have enough.
You guys got a beautiful day out here, that's for sure. There are a bunch right here. Alright.
Okay. How
10?
much? You have 3 there?
Yes, sir. Thank you, bud.
There you go.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Alright, guys, so got this really cool razor. It's vintage, of course. You guys should be able to see it real good. There we go. And then I got 2 old lighters. And the lighters, they're just 2 alike. This one has leather coloring, which is pretty cool. And then this one, I like that. It's different. And for $1, I said I wasn't going to do it, but I did it. What can I say? I'm a hoarder. Forgive me. Or should I should ask my wife to forgive me because I just quit stuff up and I'm really filling up again. But anyway, all right. So let's go to the next one. I'm gonna do something a little different. Like and subscribe, and I'm gonna do each yard sale video separately instead of one big compilation.